Make your bed comfortable. Buy comfortable sheets and blankets. Eventually get you an air fryer, a microwave. Here at Rosedale, they come refrigerators. So if your truck don't have them, get you one of those. And you want to be as sufficient as you can with everything in your truck. You want to learn to cook your own meals. You want to learn to get a medical bag. I used to go to by Dollar Tree and Walmart, buy Tylenol, Pepto-Bismol, stuff for toothache, stuff for whatever I could possibly, headaches, whatever I could possibly run into. If I have kidney stones, I got some apple cider vinegar that's going to help me pass it, whatever I need, so I wouldn't have to go in there and spend money. And you want to at least save you up $1,000 that you've got at all times. That can be the difference between quitting and thriving. All right.